Uh, so I tried to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Um, I don't think I could have butchered it any worse. It is literally black down there. I don't even know what I did wrong. I tried spreading butter on both sides, put cheese on the non-buttered side, and then I was just gonna put it on for like 4 minutes or so. And I set this dial, well, I think I set it to between 4 and 6, or like 4 and 6 here. I don't even know what these different switches mean, but this is what happened. Like, I'll show you. It is stuck to the freaking pan. I cannot get it off, genuinely. Well, I'll figure something out. Just had to make a video. Bye.